Hi friends, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to create this very beautiful pop-up card for the Teachers Day. I have added some handmade flowers on this and you can open the card like this. And in the center I have added this easel card on which I have written Happy Teachers Day. And you can just put it like a showpiece. I have added all handmade embellishments to decorate this card related to Teachers Day. And you can just add any extra message on this panel. So without any further delay, let's get started. For this we need pencil, ruler, bone folder, some colored markers, rounder, liquid glue, scissor, any pack of pattern paper, orange, pink and yellow color thick sheets. First I am taking this yellow color sheet which measures 21 by 21 centimeters. First you need to fold it in half. Then again fold in half. Then I am cutting one side till the center like this. So this is the basic design of the card. Now I am folding both the sides till the center diagonally like this. Again folding it backward, and your basic card idea is done. Isn't it very easy? Now I am just making one circle which is having 4 cm radius on yellow color paper using my rounder. Now I am just folding the piece of sheet on the top edge of the circle. Now I am leaving little topmost circle part and cutting the excess circle using my scissors. So it should look like a card. Now I am just folding the top part of the circle from the center. So it will work like this. Now I am taking one more circle which is having same size as the base. Now add glue on this folded part. And connect the circle. Now on the top of this I am adding one pattern paper circle. Now I am taking one 10 by 10 cm pattern paper and decorating the card. And also taking these two triangles to decorate the upper part of the card. Now I have created some handmade designs related to Teachers Day. So I'm just outlining these designs using my black marker and coloring it. For the coloring purpose, I am using my colored markers. Now I will just fussy cut this. So after fussy cutting, all the elements are ready. Now take back your easel card and I will decorate the easel card using these elements. I have also created this Happy Teachers Day sentiment on yellow color sheet. I am adding 2 die cut hearts on this. Now to stop this easel, I am just adding this heart shape so that it will stand like this. So easel card is ready. Now take back your greeting card and I am just decorating the top part using some party triangles. And since this card is looking very florally, so I have decided to add this orange color triangles in the inner triangle part to balance all the colors. But you can skip this step. Now I am connecting the easel card in the center part of the card. So it will stand like this. Isn't it a great idea and very easy also? Now on this part I am just creating the border on which you can add any message for your teacher. Now just close this card like this, and I am adding pattern paper triangle and orange color triangle to decorate it. Now I will show you how to create these petals. For this I am taking one circle which is having approx 3 cm diameter. Cut the circle from the center and fold it like this. Now I'm coloring the center part using some markers. Now just add little glue and paste these two petals. Now I'm shaping the petal using my scissor. Also I have created some leaves using green color marker on yellow color sheet. Now I am arranging the flower and leaves. Also I am adding this small pink color ribbon bow to decorate the card. So the cute Teacher's Day card is ready. You can add an extra message for your teacher here. So the pop-up easel card for the Teacher's Day is done. My project is ready. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos and don't forget to click on bell icon for the latest updates. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.